Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up GST 40% tax slab accounts and tax types. To begin, go to the Setup menu and open the Setup New Account window. Enter the account name as GST Sale 40% and select the account type as Sale. Next, define the default tax as 40% and choose Taxable as the GST type from the drop-down menu. Finally, click Save to create the account. Now, let's create the IGST Sale 40% account in a similar way. Select the account type as Sale, set the default tax to 40%, and choose the GST type as Taxable. Now let's proceed to set up the output accounts. Enter the account name as CGST Output 20%, select the account type as Current Liabilities. Mark it as a sales tax account, choose the GST type as CGST, and define the default tax as 20%. Then, click Save. In the same way, create accounts for SGST Output 20% and IGST Output 40%. Now, let's set up the GST Purchase Tax heads. Start by entering the account name as GST Purchase 40%. Select the account type as Purchase and set the default tax to 40%. Then, click to save the account. In a similar way, set up account for IGST Purchase 40%. Choose the account type as Purchase, define the default tax as 40%, and save the account. Just like we created the output accounts for CGST, SGST, and IGST, we will now create the input accounts in the same way. Start by entering the account name as CGST Input 20%. Select the account type as Current Liabilities. Mark it as a sales tax account, choose CGST as the GST type, and set the default tax as 20%. In the same way, now set up the accounts for SGST Input 20% and IGST Input 40%. Moving on to the next step, we will now define the tax types for both sales and purchase. To begin, go to the Setup Taxes menu and open Setup Tax Types for Sale window. Define the tax description as GST Sale 40% and link it with the GST Sale 40% account. Next, select the sales tax account as SGST Output 20%. Define Tax 1 and Tax 3 as 20%. In the Tax 1 account column, assign CGST Output 20%. After that, enable the option Use for GST and set the GST type as CGST SGST. In the same way, we will now set up the tax types for inclusive taxes. In the case of inclusive tax types, define Tax 1 as 20%, Tax 2 as 40%, and Tax 3 as 20%. The remaining settings will stay the same. For IGST Sale tax types, enter the tax description as IGST Sale 40%. In the Sales account column, allocate the IGST Sale 40% account. Choose IGST Output 40% in the Sales Tax account column. Then, under the Tax 3 column, define 40%. Mark it as Use for GST and set the GST type as IGST. In a similar way, create the tax type for IGST Sale 40% inclusive. define the tax percentage as 40% in both the tax 2 and tax 3 columns. Save the settings, and now let's set up the tax types for purchases. To do this, open the Setup Tax Types for Purchase window. Just like we created the tax types for sales, we will now set up the tax types for purchases. Here, instead of output, all input accounts will be linked. Simply follow the same steps as demonstrated in the video. After setting up all the purchase tax types, save the changes.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.